How to make $1,000 per day with YouTube automation. Isn't it insane that this channel got over 2 million views on their very first upload?
Is it really true? Let's dive into it. As a YouTuber, your time is valuable. You want to focus on creating quality content and interacting with your subscribers, not wasting hours scheduling uploads and promoting your videos. This is where automation comes in. With YouTube automation tools and workers, you can schedule your uploads to go live at the best times for your audience. We'll come back to it later. One of the most useful YouTube automation tools is scheduling uploads. This feature allows you to upload your videos in advance and schedule them to go live at a specific date and time. This means you can create your content at your own pace and schedule your uploads for the optimal times for your audience. To schedule your uploads, simply select the Scheduled option when uploading your video. Then, choose the date and time you want your video to go live. You can even add a custom thumbnail and description for your video before it goes live. Promoting your videos on social media can be time-consuming, but with automation tools, it's a breeze. You can use tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to automatically share your video on all your social media platforms. This will save you time and help you increase your reach. To use these tools, simply connect your YouTube and social media accounts and set up a schedule for your video shares. You can also track the performance of your shares to see which platforms are driving the most traffic to your channel. YouTube Analytics is a powerful tool that can help you understand your audience and optimize your channel. With analytics, you can see how your audience is finding and interacting with your videos and use that information to inform your content strategy. Some key metrics to track include watch time, engagement rate, and demographic data. You can also use analytics to see which videos are performing the best and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Finally, you can take YouTube automation to the next level by incorporating AI tools. These tools can help you optimize your video's titles, tags, and descriptions to increase your visibility and reach to the moon. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidEQ use AI to analyze your channel and recommend improvements to your SEO strategy. This can help you get more views and subscribers without spending extra time on your SEO.